Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. AI chatbot revolution, CEO replaces 90% of support staff for faster customer service. Robot nurses' ethical dilemmas and the future of nursing. Google's Bard AI chatbot talking and responding to visual prompts, now in the EU. Now let's dive into the detail. AI chatbot revolution, CEO replaces 90% of support staff for faster customer service. The founder and CEO of Indian startup Dukan, Sumit Shah, made a bold move by laying off 90% of his support staff and replacing them with an AI-powered chatbot. The chatbot, developed by one of the firm's data scientists in just 2 days, proved to be much quicker in handling customer queries compared to human employees. Initial responses to customers were nearly instant, while the average response time dropped drastically, resulting in a 98% reduction in issue resolution time. Although the layoffs were tough but necessary, the adoption of the chatbot significantly cut the cost of customer support by around 85%. Shah believes in a future where AI and humans work together, utilizing AI for tasks like graphic design, illustration, and data science. This move comes amidst rising concerns about AI potentially causing job losses, with the technology's capabilities expanding rapidly across various industries. Robot nurses, ethical dilemmas, and the future of nursing. Israel using robots powered by artificial intelligence to address the shortage of nurses. The country faces a significant deficit in nursing staff compared to the OECD average. With advancements in robotics and AI, there is hope for intelligent machines to handle nursing tasks. However, this raises ethical questions about whether robots can truly replicate human qualities, such as empathy, trust building, and emotional support. The study examines the ethical concepts in nursing, including advocacy, accountability, cooperation, and caring, and questions whether robots can embody these attributes effectively. While robots can provide valuable medical information, they might struggle to empathize and understand patients' values fully. The blog post emphasizes that while robots may not replace human nurses entirely, further research and careful ethical consideration are necessary to explore their potential contribution to nursing practice. Google's Bard AI chatbot, talking and responding to visual prompts, now in the EU. Google's Bard AI chatbot has received several new features. Firstly, it can now provide spoken responses, which is useful for correcting word pronunciation, listening to poems, or scripts. The spoken responses are available in over 40 languages. Secondly, Bard can respond to prompts that include images, allowing users to get help with tasks like writing captions for pictures. The image prompt feature is currently available in English and will expand to other languages soon. Additionally, Google has introduced features such as pinning and renaming conversations, sharing responses with friends, and customizing the tone and style of Bard's responses. The chatbot was initially available in the US and UK but is now accessible in various countries, including all countries in the European Economic Area, EEA, and Brazil. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news, and see you in the next video.